Hey guys, Aaron here, welcome back to the channel. Have you guys been wondering why your car is honking at you when you lock it? No, that is not a built-in feature. There are a couple different reasons. If your car is honking twice when you lock it, check out the video up here. That is a different issue. This is if you get one honk when it is locked. Here is an example. That means one of 6 different things. In this particular case, one of my doors was open. So if it detects that your driver or passenger door are open, you're gonna get that single beep. If this is open, that can cause it to beep. If your car has a glove box, which mine does not, and that is open, it will cause it to beep. If your frunk is open, that will cause it to beep. If your rear trunk is open, that will cause it to beep. And if your engine compartment is open, that will cause it to beep. So let me raise this up a little bit. All right, so I started to close it, so this little light is on. So now with it partially raised there, if I try to lock it, takes a second, you get a single beep. So could be any of these items. The single beep means something is not closed properly, or if they are all closed, then one of the switches is malfunctioning. So you have to figure out which switch it is. Again, double beep means something different. Single beep, you have something open. So for some people, when the gas door is open, they also get a beep. Mine does not seem to care. I hope that was helpful, guys. I got a ton of Boxster content on the channel. Please subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.